Hi everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that when you're just connecting your Apple ID and just try to sign in your Apple ID, and you may face that option that there was an error connecting to Apple ID server. So how you can resolve that issue in your iPhone, maybe iPad? Simply just go back and simply just go to the settings of your iPhone, and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. So many users face issue because they don't have a good Wi-Fi connection. So make sure that they have a good Wi-Fi connection. If they don't have a Wi-Fi connection, then connect with the mobile services and also mobile data. Simply just go to that. If you have an iPhone of PT approved, then you just have to just try to do with your SIM data. And if you don't, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. After that, simply just go to your general section and just go to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just scroll down and just go to the transfer reset iPhone and just go to the reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back, again back, and simply just follow another step is that simply just again back and just go to the privacy and restriction section. Just go to that security and just go to the location services and just scroll down and just go to the system services and just again scroll down and you see that there is an option of a significant location, so make sure that it's turned it on. So many users face because they don't have any significant location, it's also turn it off, so make sure that it's turned it on. After that, simply just go back, and after that settings, you just have to just go back and just off your iPhone with just pressing the power button and also volume button, and just off your iPhone and again on it. And also just go to your settings and try to sign in your Apple ID, and you just sign in and you don't get any error and issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.